Hey, Bubble Zoo legends, get ready because today we're playing Which Animal is Right? You'll see one animal and three options, but only one is correct. So open your eyes, use your brain, and guess before time runs out. Ready for the challenge? Let's go! Which bird is known for its long, curved neck and elegance? This bird is often seen in lakes and is a symbol of grace. It's Swan. Which bird is famous for laying its eggs in other birds' nests? This bird tricks other birds into raising its babies. It's Cuckoo. Which bird is known for running fast instead of flying? This large bird cannot fly and lives in Australia. It's Emu. Which bird is known for its hammering sound on trees? This bird uses its beak to drill into wood. It's Woodpecker. Which bird is known for its beautiful singing voice? This bird is famous for singing sweet songs, especially at night. It's Nightingale. Which bird is this blackbird known for intelligence? This bird can solve problems and use tools. It's Crow. Which bird is known for its large pouch under the beak? This bird uses its pouch to catch fish. It's Pelican. Which bird is known for migrating long distances every year? This bird travels thousands of kilometers between poles. It's Arctic Tern. Which bird is known for its colorful feathers and dancing display? This bird performs amazing dances to attract mates. It's Bird of Paradise. Which bird is known for hovering in one place while flying? This tiny bird can flap its wings very fast and stay in the air. It's Hummingbird. Yo, that was wild, Bubble Zoo crew. How many animals did you guess right?